my appeal today is in relation to the murder of Jack Armstrong. I'm appealing to anyone who's got information in relation to his murder, which took place in 1979. My appeal would be to the killer themselves. If you're out there and you're listening, you've lived with this for 47 years, my appeal would be to you to do the right thing, look at your conscience and come forward. My appeal would be to any member of that person's family. You may have information or you may have evidence that is pertinent to this case. If you think it's a member of your family who had those suspicions back in 1979 or since, please come forward, provide that information. And then my last appeal would be to members of the public. Jack's murder took place in daylight on an afternoon on a Friday. There may be somebody out there who's got some information, that little bit that might help us break this case, and my appeal would be to you. So if they could come forward and provide us that information, it might be that bit that helps us break this case and gets justice for Jack, his daughter Jean, and the wider family. So the reason we're appealing today is Jean, who was Jack's daughter, was a real advocate for justice for Jack over the last 47 years. She took part in a number of appeals, a number of documentaries, where their hope was always that Jack's killer would be identified and brought to justice. Unfortunately, Jean passed away in August last year. I never got to see that justice, so it's just made us more determined than ever to work through the case and find that justice for Jack, for Jean and her wider family.